Indian Army launches Project Naman, supports defense pensioners, veterans and their families, establishes common service centers for pension, e-governance and banking services, collaborative efforts with CSC, e-governance India and with HDFC Bank for financial services like pensions, empowers veterans with entrepreneurial opportunities, ensure rollout of 14 CSCs, expanding to 200 centers nationwide. NHPC, SECI, Railtel, and SJVN gaining Navaratna status. These four granted Navaratna status by the government. Navaratna status gives autonomy to make financial decisions up to 1000 crores. Companies can now enter into a joint ventures, form subsidiaries, and invest in other companies. Status aims to enhance efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness of public sector units. Total number of Navratna companies now stands at 14, including these four new additions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off three Vande Bharat trains connecting key cities Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. New routes. Three trains will be operated on the Meerut and Lucknow, Madurai and Bengaluru, and Chennai to Nagarkoil routes, enhancing connectivity and reducing travel time. Faster travel. Between Meerut and Lucknow, train saving around 1 hour, and the Chennai Nagarkoil train saving over 2 hours, and the Madurai Bengaluru train saving around 1.5 hours. Modern amenities. The Vande Bharat trains offer modern amenities and comfortable traveling, catering to the needs of regular travelers, professionals, business and student communities. Economic boost. The introduction of these trains is expected to boost economic activity, increase employment opportunities, and enhance the overall development of the region. INS Tabar conducts maritime exercise with Spine Navy. Maritime Partnership Exercise (MPX). INS Tabar conducted a maritime partnership exercise with Spanish Navy ship Atalaya in the Mediterranean Sea. Advanced exercises. The MPX involved a series of advanced exercises such as station keeping, replenishment at sea approaches, flying exercise, steam past, and photo X serials. High level of professionalism. Units from the both navies demonstrated high levels of professionalism and commitment to the enhanced collaborative efforts, enhancing bilateral relations. This exercise aimed to enhance the existing bilateral relationships between India and Spain, including the maritime domain. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar inaugurates a sports university. Nitish Kumar inaugurated the first ever sports university in Bihar, located in Rajgir, in Nalanda district. The university boasts state-of-art facilities and including modern sports infrastructure, academic blocks, hostels, and recreational facilities. Promoting sports culture. The university aims to promote a sports culture in Bihar, identifying and nourishing talent and producing world-class athletes. Academic programs. The university will offer various academic programs including undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral degrees in sports related disciplines. Dr. T.V. Somanathan takes over as a cabinet secretary. T.V. Somanathan took over as a 33rd cabinet secretary of India. He succeeded Raju Gauba, who retired on 31st August 2024. Dr. Somanathan is a 1987 batch IAS officer from Tamil Nadu, Kerala. He has held various key positions, including Secretary, Department of Expenditure and Secretary, Department of Revenue. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed penalties on two financial entities for regularity non-compliance. UCO Bank penalty. UCO Bank has fined 2.68 crore for violating provisions related to current account openings, deposit interest rates, and fraud classification. Cent Bank Home Finance Limited penalty faces a 2.1 lakh penalty for failing to adhere to now your customer regulations. Reasons for penalties. The RBI clarified that these penalties are imposed for regularity compliance issues and do not impact the validity of any transactions or agreements between the entities and their customers. Youth icons Ayushmann Khurrana and Neeraj Chopra were honored by FICCI for their contributions to their respective fields. Youth Icon India Award Ayushmann Khurrana and Neeraj Chopra received the FICCI Young Leaders Youth Icon Award for their outstanding contributions. Ayushmann Khurrana's film choices. Ayushmann Khurrana was recognized for his unique film choices that have triggered positive change and furthered his intent to work towards making society better. Neeraj Chopra's achievements, an Olympic gold medalist, was honored for his exceptional achievements in sports. Kerala Tourism has won the Fata Gold Award 2024 for their innovative holiday haste campaign. Kerala Tourism won the award in the digital marketing campaign category for their online contest Holiday Haste. The campaign was launched in July 2023 and ran for a month, featuring a binding contest via tourism department's WhatsApp chatbot Maya. Overwhelming response. The campaign received an overwhelming response with the 80,000 bids from across India and over 45 million views. Indian Air Force launched a new comic book series. The comic book series titled Heroes of Indian Air Force aims to inspire and educate young people about the heroic deeds of the Indian Air Force. The series featured stories of real life heroes, including Marshal of the Air Force Arjan Singh and the brave pilots who fought in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. The comic book also provides information about the career opportunities in the Indian Air Force, including eligibility criteria to encourage young readers to consider a future in the force.